Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to handle the frames in Playwright Java. Okay. For this, I'm going to take this example and also this particular example. Okay. Why frames and how to identify the frames? Basically, a frame we cannot identify quickly. Okay. But we can able to see now here. If I right click here, see there is no frame. You can't able to see, but when you right click here and you can see there is another two things are coming: view frame source or reload the frame. Okay, I know because of that I'm directly going and clicking here and I'm able to see that is presented inside that, right? If I don't know how to do that, right? If you click this particular website, if I click, see here there are two additional options. If there is no frame and you can able to see only view page source and inspect. Okay, these are the two things you can see. But while you are able to click inside the frame and automatically it will come for, there are two more options: reload frame or view frame source. Okay, based upon that, we need to know that this is inside the frame. What is the problem if it is the frame or if it is not the frame? If it is a frame, we cannot able to access the locator as you see that. See now, if I inspect here, see here there is a name is there. I can able to go ahead and take the name and I can able to try for to filling, but it will not allow you to do because it is under the frame. It is under the frame. If it is under the frame, we cannot directly fill the text because it is not allowing because it's inside the frame. A frame can have for another website. A frame can contain for another frame also. Okay, like this also they can able to implement. Okay, one single frame contain for entire website. Inside the website they can able to make the buttons, radio buttons, or any kind of thing they can able to implement the application. Okay, example of this is the entire frame. There are quite different kind of frames it is presented. Okay, we cannot directly integrate this particular and we cannot send the information to this text box. We can see directly passing the text also, and then we'll try for switching. Okay, now here TC05 iframes. Okay, now clicking this one and sending this one. From here to here I'm copying. Okay, and I'll copy the URL of this particular one. Now here, as we know that directly I'm trying for to send the information. Okay, this is my locator. Okay, if I pass this one, dot fill. Okay, now even you can modify to small. Okay, now I'm going to run my path. Sorry. See now if I run this particular path and see, it will fail. Meanwhile, if I used to find, see there is one particular locator when we tried. Okay, now see still it is not able to fill any text, but still it is waiting for the particular element whether it will be a present or not. Okay, if it is present, it will click, right? But we are not using any wait technique, but still it is trying to fill that particular element visibility. Okay, and now see waiting for the element, it is not presented. Okay, now. what we can do, there is a two ways we can able to use that. Okay, page dot a frame is there. Okay, one is the frames and another one is frame locator. Okay, frame locator. And even you can able to use the frame by URL. The frame by URL, it will ask you the URL which is the frame it is having. Okay, this will take the frame name. Okay, this is basically it will take the frame name, and here basically it will take the frame URL, and this will take the frame locator. Okay, this is the like it will provide that entire frame as an array. Okay, list of frames it will returns. Okay, these are the frames we have to collecting. Okay, now I'm going to use for frame locator. Okay, because I need to locate the based upon my frame. Hmm. Now you can see, and this is my frame. Okay, and I'm copying this one. So it is presented this URL. Okay, one on one it is presenting. Now I'm taking this one and I'm providing my locator dot locator dot locator. Which locator we need to provide? This is the locator we need to provide. Okay, to making this to click that particular element. Now I'm able to hear. Okay, now after that what we can able to do, we need to enter the text, right? We can able to use that directly to filling the text. Fill the text, automatically it will fill the text. Okay, even you can able to try for any label for getting the text and all that also it will work. Now you can see it is fill that, right? It is able to fill the locate information. See here, location. Okay, like this we can able to try. Maybe you'll get the question, can I use for URLs and only the frame? Yes, we can able to use this as well. Okay, both the things it will work as expected as same. Previous it is not able to fill because it is not able to identify the locator. Okay, because it is inside the frame. Okay, if you see this as well, if you see this one also, it is presented under a frame. If you inspect this particular element, there is a, if we go top, see here, the frame is having ID. Okay, inside the ID, you need to switch. Then after that, you need to use the ID to click. Okay, we'll try this as well. Basically, frame locator is the best option to finish the work comparing to remaining things. I'll copy this URL. Okay, now we need to choose the frame ID. ID is this one. Okay, and I will copy hash ID this one. Okay, and then my locator become a, sorry, this one. It is basically click operation. I'm going to use for click. Okay, now again I'm running this one. See, it is clicked and the color is highlighted. Okay, like this we can able to click. Okay, and another format, there is a frame inside another frame. Okay, that is called, we can able to call it as a nested frame. Okay, a frame can contain the nested frame. You can try for the nested frame. This is the one. Okay, example you can take. This is the website. Okay, once I switch into this particular frame, again I need to switch into this particular another frame. Inside the another frame it is there. I need to click any one of them. Okay, any one of them, this particular things. Okay, I can able to click and choose, or you can able to click the checkbox. Anything is fine. Okay, try with your end by using our Playwright Java. In case if you are not able to do, comment on this video. In case if you are able to do, comment on the code. Okay. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.